Universal Fit Kit. The kit contains 12 types of most common sizes of fastener clips, suitable for the OEM replacement in 5 to 10 mm hole sizes, that you'll always have the right size. Top quality. These car retainer clips are made of high-quality black nylon material, anti-wear and anti-corrosion, would not break or crack easily during use. Most common sizes. Do not worry about lost or damaged body fasteners. All the necessary retainers for exact replacement of old and broken retainer. Tough fastener remover. Durable plastic and metal material that has advantage of high abrasion resistance, allow you to quickly and easily remove car door panel and upholstery clips without causing damage to them. Easy access into confined areas. Easy storage. Comes with 1 plastic boxes with 12 compartments for organized storage. Compact size, convenient to store or carry within your car. Compatible with vehicle type. Cars. Product detail. Material, nylon 350Pcs, set package weight, 0.6 kg. Retainer sizes, 12 most popular sizes. Please see the picture for detailed size packing list. 350Pcs Auto car body retainer clips 1 PC premium nylon fastener rivet clips removal tool 4 PCs car panel removal tools trim removal tool 5 PCs plastic cable ties 20 PCs sponge cushion. Note: please check the size, type and shape in the pictures and description first to make sure the item is the one that you need. Top reviews from the United States. Works as expected. Well made. It is nice to have a set of different sizes. I am a DIY car guy and often help others out with their cars. So having a set of these is good to have items in stock and not needing to do a run to the car parts store. These retainers are well made. The thing I find the hardest to deal with is all of the different makes models never use the same retainers, so having these provides more options.